I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Let's get started. First, I'll slice up some lemons to use later on. Take one lemon and cut it in half. I'll extract the juice using my citrus juicer with an attached glass container underneath. Take one half of the lemon and work it back and forth on the juicer. I have a shaker bottle that I bought from Walmart that I use to mix the ingredients together. It has a flip top, a removable filter, and a shaker ball inside. Pour the lemon juice into the shaker bottle and add 12 ounces of water. Technically, you can add as much sugar as you want. I first tested up to 2 tablespoons worth of sugar. Lemon shake-ups, especially at the fair, have a ton of sugar in them, and I try not to have as much sugar in my diet as I used to. Add about a cup of ice. Add in the shaker ball, the filter, screw on the top, and shake until mixed well. Now let's give it a taste. It's not quite there yet. I'll add an extra tablespoon of sugar and shake it up again. Perfect. I cut up a little lemon slice for garnish and got a mason jar to use as a cup. Fill the jar up halfway and fill the rest up with some ice. I added in the lemon garnish, and you can add it in if you like. Tossed in one of those twisty straws that my kids love to use, and boom! You got a lemon shake-up. Now let's give it a taste. Come on now, you know it's good. So regarding the drinks I've made, I'll put the pineapple skin tea in second place and the lemon shake-up in first place. So check out the previous recipe, the pineapple skin tea, and the Prep Naturals 3-in-1 French fry cutter video here on screen or in the description below. In question, what's your favorite fair food? God bless and comment below.